Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Melissa. If you're new here, I do Ipsy unboxings and lifestyle vlogs, as well as fun hair tutorials. Today we are diving in. I got this ColourPOP package in the mail today, and I'm so excited to jump into it and check out what this new collection has to offer. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And without further ado, we're gonna jump right in. So they sent over their You and Me collection. Very perfect for Valentine's Day. This is their Lost in Love collection, actually. Really cute. This collection has an eyeshadow palette, a gel eyeshadow, literally obsessed body glitter gel, a lip and cheek balm, ultra glossy lip, a heart blending sponge, so a beautiful makeup sponge, I'm sure. Ooh, lots of pink. So pretty, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and share these individually. So first we have the cute blending sponge. So cute. It's a heart shape. And they also sent over their 3 ultra glossy lips, which I'm gonna show you guys the shades right now. Here's this gloss. It's kind of like peachy pink, really pretty. It's definitely a topper gloss, but it has a nice little shimmer of sparkle. So I'm gonna go in order. That one was the shade One Kiss. Such a pretty shade. This one is in the shade Lover Era. So this one's a little more deeper toned, still really beautiful. I see some glitter in there as well. And this one is the shade Taken, which I would probably wear based off the name. This is the Taken shade. And here are the shades up close. They come off pretty easily, which is pretty nice. I'm gonna open up the eyeshadow palette next. I always get excited about eyeshadow palettes just because ColourPOP makes really, really beautiful shadows. So here is the Lost in Love eyeshadow palette. The packaging is so adorable. It's kind of like 3D. Ooh, you guys, they're so pretty. Oh, a fair share of mattes and glitters. A little bit of shimmer there. I love Dibs and Ever and Ever. Ooh, they're so pretty. What do you guys think? I will definitely be putting this to use. I don't use a lot of like deep reds or pinks because it clashes with my hair too much, but I'm really loving like the top up here. And I feel like I could use this one, Fave Texts. That's a pretty decent dark, but I like that one too. You know what? There's a lot of good shades in here, so I'm excited to give them a try. Next we have the Jelly Much Gel Eyeshadows. This one looks so pretty just by the outside of it. So this is the Forever Valentine. Light pink and shimmery, so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty and sparkly. I feel like that could be a really, really pretty highlighter as well. All right, and then we have the shade Moon and Stars. This one is definitely, well, from the looks of it, it's definitely not something that I would personally wear myself. It's very, very bright and it's beautiful, but it would not look right with my style per se. But it's very beautiful and really, really pigmented. This shade is called All Love. I just love the texture of these. They're so nice. Oh! Okay, these are actually really stunning. I feel like I'm changing my mind about that orange because I feel like I could definitely maybe use that. But these are so beautiful, so bright and glittery. You girls, I am loving it. We have the Sparks Glitterally Obsessed Body Glitter Gel. Just love it, it's so pretty. All right, I have to swatch this for you. I'm gonna do this one on my hand because there's a little pigment left over from the other products that I tested, but you guys, this is so pretty. This is the last products in this package today, but these are the Lip and Cheek Balms, and there's 3 different shades: Adore You, Heart's Content, and Cutesy Wootsy. I don't know about that one, but these are gonna be so cute. Yes, they're shaped in cute hearts, you guys. Oh, so cute. I'm obsessed. This is the Cutesy Wootsy. Oh my gosh. So pretty, such a pretty shade. I'm just gonna swatch it right here. It is kind of like a jelly consistency if you're new to this kind of product. Such a cute color. I mean, how can you not love these? These are so cute. Yeah, this is a definitely more of a Melissa shade. It's almost like I gotta warm up the product because it is so above and beyond cold outside right now, and these products are actually really cold right now still. Oh yeah, this is definitely more of a me shade. I'm currently using one of their blush sticks and I'm obsessed with it. I can't get enough of it, and this is like what it reminds me of without being in a stick form. But that is a really pretty shade. I'm gonna come up closer when I have them all 3 swatched, but so far, this is my favorite. This is the Heart's Content. For the last one, Adore You. So here's the heart, really cute. Love this color, and it, as you can see, it's kind of like a deeper, little bit of a deeper tone. And just gonna warm this one up and swatch it, and you can see which one you like the best. Shades here, which one is your favorite? I really love, honestly, I kind of like them all. I think I'm leaning more towards these 2 just because this one is a little bit bright, like kind of like a very vibrant pink, like a hot pink. But these ones are so pretty. I mean, I love them all. They're really pretty. It's such a pretty duo. All right, my friends, that is it for this collection. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And let me know if you'd like me to give this collection a try on my face. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!